When you think of Rex Insurance, think of the resilience of overturning a 4-0 scoreline in injury time. Think of the integrity of frying a bunch of soft golden plantain without tasting any.
Femi, you have tasted more than half of the plantain on the fire.
Think of the efficiency of making a sumptuous plate of afang with just 3,025 naira.
Customer, now 220 naira remain for my hand. I beg, give me periwinkle.
At Rex Insurance, our values of resilience, efficiency, excellence, integrity, and teamwork have remained unwavering since 1918. No matter your business, agriculture, aviation, engineering, general accident, energy, motor and marine, our values and prompt claims payment are your assurance of our commitment to you. Rex Insurance, you're not alone.
With plenty salutation this morning. If you just join us, the program now waiting insurance they do serve. The correct program where they give you correct information how you fit use insurance take arrange every of your paro wey dey reach on Wednesday morning out of Naija FM 102.7. The original Naija station, courtesy as people go talk of Rex Insurance Limited. That one means say na Rex Insurance, so na that and that gidigbaciously for our back they bring this program to now every Wednesday morning. My name is Faith, aka Madam Insurance, aka Oluwa Feto looking hot since 1805. Easy your heart, nice leave it. All right, we don't show this morning, and as I be anytime we will show inside studio. Now to come talk confirm insurance topic, bring people self way go explain and to you so that you go understand that very well. Then when time reach, you will they listen to us for office, market, for your shop, we go give you opportunity to call us. Shook mouth for the topic where they touch light inside studio or any other information where you won't get about the paro of insurance for Naija here. This morning, no be only me waka come, I waka with two heavy men, heavyweights, senior bros and senior shemo from Rex Insurance. Then they inside studio gidigbaciously with us this morning. And the topic we want to touchlight on, now the topic we concern everybody in this earth. Not be only Nigeria, in this earth, the topic we want to touchlight it concern everybody. That one means say agricultural insurance. You have to eat. If you are a richest man in the earth, you eat food. And where you dey get the food from is from Agric. And the people where they give you assurance that you will see that food to eat on your plate or your table, in the kitchen, in the office, now people where they provide cover Agric Insurance. This morning I get you know if you tell me whether I'm allergic. Are you allergic? It be like okay, it's an aspiring allergy. Aspiring allergy, Abdul-Azeez Ajibola will be chief farmer, Rex Insurance. Now be head of Agric Insurance for Rex Insurance. He's a chief farmer. Must speak one Yoruba, Agbeloba Abi. A farmer is a king. I know that one. He's assistant farmer. Yes, assistant farmer. But this assistant farmer is a very big assistant farmer. Dr. Bamigbade Samuel himself na assistant farmer to aspiring allergy. Himself they in charge of Agric business desks for Lagos. All of them come from Rex Insurance Limited. Una good morning.
Good morning.
Chief farmer and assistant farmer. All right, I don't hear their voice. And this morning they go explain every also the paro of Agric Insurance. Okay, aspiring allergy, let me start the show with you. You know, say where would they talk Agric Insurance, not be everybody understand about explain that to us. Waiting Agric Insurance really mean.
Thank you, Madam Insurance.
You are welcome.
Agric Insurance no be hard thing. It just be like shield where they protect farmer from any financial wahala if it happen to them. Say them plants now, rain come wash away everything. Or say some pest or disease affect their farm. Insurance now, Agric Insurance now the easy way to protect, to make sure say anything with them plant, they no lose, even if bad thing happen to them. Very simple.
Okay, so this one now you talk about plants, if they plant, if they no do, but you know say for we know say for Agric, I grew up in the village, you know say for Agric sef, chicken, me I get chicken, I get chicken, turkey, goat, ram, cow, all of them follow for the Agric matter.
Even pig sef, rabbit,
all of them
snail,
follow.
everything follow. So far you dey farm am, you dey keep am, dey raise am, you fit do Agric insurance.
Agric insurance. Okay. Now, Agric insurance, wetin Agric insurance dey cover? I know say now I just talk of we don count all those animal, but in basic term, wetin and wetin dey cover. No forget say some people sef dey are into kilo man pe won fish. They are fish farmers. So wetin Agric insurance, wetin dey really cover?
So e dey cover crop failure.
Okay.
If anything happen to wetin you plant, wey make am no do well. So flood, rain no fall, rain too fall, pest attack your farm, disease, fire, all of those things. And then if you carry am go animal side too, your animal die, they sick, you understand, all of those things dey cover. Then if you can't leave those things, the property where you dey keep all these animal, where you dey keep the things where you gather from your farm, you know, your tractor, if you get machine, you will dey process, all of those things, Agric insurance dey cover them, dey protect them.
Okay, all right, so make I come to assistant farmer Oga Samuel. And now this Agric insurance, how it dey work? I want to make you help us explain am step by step for person wey whether you wan cover for crop, you wan cover for animal or those other things. How it dey really work?
Yeah, for crop, for our own company, the way we approach it is the fact that they will have to get us the required information, all the information that are important to that will give us the full detailed information about what they are into. For example, you know, we mentioned crop, so crop will be maize, crop will be beans. If it be something else,
if it be yam,
if it be yam, if it be vegetable, so that's where the information starts from.
Okay.
Then you are still going to tell us the size,
the size of the farm.
The size of the farm.
Okay.
So and the value, like how much will it cost you to cultivate that very particular farm. So those information are necessary. So once you give us those information, then we'll be able to come up with what will be the premium. That's the money that you will pay to get the cover, so the money to buy the cover. So those are the first step. So once we give you the premium rate, you pay, then we'll come around, assess the farm, then you are under cover from there.
Okay, you know, say as I see this man wey dey write doctor near him name, I don't know say he will give me headache in this shoe because people are called doctor, they like to speak big English that Madam Ishara want to confuse. Now you are a doctor of farm, is it doctor of farming now, and you are speaking big English. Don't worry yourself, I will come back to you. All right, so now another question wey I wan ask, wetin be the first thing wey person wey wan buy this Agric insurance, wetin e go first do? Let's say you dey lis ten to the show now, I wan do this Agric insurance, wetin be the first step person suppose take to?
You know how?
Okay.
The first step na make dem just call us, contact us. When they go our website, rexinsure.com, they go see all the information wey they need to fit contact us. Make them call us, make them send us message. They fit even send me email directly.
Okay.
Once they don't contact us, then we fit guide them through every simple process, but no be difficult thing. Once they call, we engage them. We know the kind of thing wey then they do. We understand their business. Once we don't understand what they do, we get, give us small story, make we understand well. Once we understand well, very easy, then we can take it forward from that point.
Okay, Oga Ajibola, if the farm, whether crop farm abi poultry farm wey person wan insure, e no dey inside this Lagos, because even this Lagos no get land, make we talk, they have used all the land to build houses and church. If the farm I want to insure is not in this Lagos now, and I want to insure it as I dey hear about this Agric insurance now, how rest insurance say dey arrange that? Shey una go from Lagos follow me, for example, if my farm is Osogbo, rest insurance will follow me to Osogbo to go and check the farm first before I start.
We dey everywhere. We be like that network we say everywhere you go.
Okay.
So far now within Nigeria, we dey there. So we get agents or people with dey all these different places. And if we no get, even me I dey travel go everywhere to go see. So once you don't contact us, we give you quotes based on the information where you share with us. Once you give you quote and you pay the premium, we go reach that your farm. Even if you dey on that mountain, we go reach there.
Okay, and make I come back to our able doctor in the house. Now, I feel it dey possible for person to buy Agric insurance, take cover their parents' farm. I ask this question because some of us wey dey this Lagos forget wey dey wear suit, dey swing. Our parents are farmers in the villages. So e possible for pikin wey dey Lagos to buy Agric insurance to cover their parents' farm for another state.
Yeah, it's very possible. It is possible.
Okay.
Yeah. So just like we don't explain since morning. So it's just to give the information. So once the information is shared, we dey everywhere. We feel go everywhere. We work out go everywhere. So it's possible.
Okay, but in situation like that where maybe na the children wan insure the farm of their parents for maybe village, if it be crop farm, if it be poultry or and all those things, waiting where I that one take different from if na me get the farm or I wan buy the insurance cover for my parents' farm.
It doesn't matter. Difference no dey. The most important thing, what we are focused on here, na the farm, not the
person wey
wan buy the insurance.
Okay.
So in some instances, if na loan from bank fit pay on behalf of person wey take the loan. So it doesn't matter. Na the farm be the focus.
Okay, now wetin rest insurance go ask for before dem give person Agric insurance cover?
It's simple. The information is the key, because without the information, e be like say like blind man wey dey walk, we need to see road. So now the information go show light to what we are covering, because normally we no fit cover wetin no exist. So the information that will make us know say the farm is actually in existence, say the farm will operate. So what
no dey for moon.
no dey for moon. So is the farm there? So what is the crop type? Like okay, what's the animal? What's the breed, species of the animal? If na goat, if na rabbit, if na cattle. So those are the information we need. So with information, that's the first step. So in fact, part of wetin we fit do in addition to that one, I say we fit give you more like a technical support. So for example, now me, I'm a veterinary doctor.
No wonder I speaking big English.
So I feel look at your practices and give you advice. So we have the head of department himself is an Agric person, a crop-based person. So you understand the agronomic practices.
Hey, agronomy, write am down. Agronomy.
So you understand wetin you supposed to do right.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. So if he guide you, say, okay, this is what you need to do right, then you can now buy insurance.
Okay, now you know say the cocoa of everything wey we don dey talk so far na money. Now how una take dey decide premium wey person go pay for Agric insurance? Oga Ajibola.
Plenty things dey wey we dey look at. Agric no be like motor wey regulator don fix wetin you go charge. First we dey look the size. We dey look wetin you dey do, whether na crop or na livestock. We dey look the size of the farm. The size of the farm go help determine so many other things. We dey look the location. The location wey we dey look no be because say we wan take that one
increase price
accurate. Na just to know the kind thing wey dey happen for that place, how rain dey take fall. You understand? Person fit no go Sokoto say wan plant plantain or wan plant cocoa, make we come insure am, e no make sense, because we know say plantain no go do well for those kind dry places. So all those little things we dey ask different question, na to just know about the business, the size, how you dey operate. Then na that one dey determine the rate.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, you don dey live oh. Alright, call us 09160534018 or 09041914492. Okay, Oga Ajibola, you talk something now about the rate, but na person go determine how much he or she fit afford. Abi na based on wetin una don agree. But before you answer that question, we get one question from here. Say, good morning our insurance people. My question is it doctor, you go hear English today o. Is it, does the insurance cover the farmer? This na Bata governor from Ilupeju. Okay, I don't know whether the insurance cover the farmer. Maybe na the English way they spoke be
Okay,
that.
make I first answer wetin you first dey talk, then I'll come back to the question.
Question.
So no be you go determine how much you go pay o.
As premium.
As premium, no, and no be us sef go determine. Na the information wey you give us go determine wetin you dey pay. We go just based on the kind bad thing wey fit happen, the risk wey dey involved, na we go take know say okay, na this amount this person go pay. Person wey wan cover fire, cover pest, cover disease, e different from person wey wan cover only fire. You understand? For a farm, or farm wey rain no dey affect, different from person wey flood fit carry only maize go. So na all those things na we go take, we go put for paper, take calculate wetin be your rate. So that one na that. Then to say if person wey dey ask whether we go fit cover farmer, yes, e get some kind product wey we go do, wey we go help extend the coverage to farmer health. Okay. Because farmer wey sick, wey no fit go farm, definitely the crop no go do well. So we fit extend some cover to the farmer, so that the farmer fit take go hospital quick to buy medicine wey go make am well, so he go fit go back to him farm.
Okay, the number wey you go take call us na 09160534018 or 09041914492 to ask any question as the team from Rest Insurance dey inside studio this morning. Now, another question wey I wan ask na, every farmer fit buy Agric insurance. You know say farmer get grade. The grade of our former president wey get big farm now, and our own grade, that's the insurance grade of small chicken and small turkey, is not the same thing. But na every farmer fit do Agric insurance.
So far you dey use money farm wetin you dey farm, you fit whether na small money or big money, whether na small farm, big farm, e no matter. Every farmer fit buy Agric insurance.
Okay, now based on your farm, you go take calculate amount wey go, because some people, once why they know they get interest for Agric insurance, then they feel say the money wey they go pay, e go plenty. Say na this my small farm, I wan go do wahala to dey go pay plenty money to insurance.
No, na the size of the farm go determine how much you go pay. Person wey get small farm go pay small premium. You get big farm, you go pay big premium. But no be, when we say big premium, not to fear, make the people wey get big farm sef no run. Na still very small percentage of wetin you go take farm. If you wan use 2 million farm, we fit collect 2%. So no be say na big money we dey collect as premium.
Okay, this man dey say I no read in English well. No be me writer na guy. I know say you still dey lis ten. Okay. Okay, for Naija na which crop dey give insurance company claims wahala pass? This one wey you look your colleague for.
No, I look am because e hard to say na this crop dey give insurance people wahala pass. Normally, the crop wey go give insurance people wahala pass na the crop wey people dey insure the most. If you no insure crop, you no go give insurance wahala. Okay. You understand? So, and the crops wey people dey insure the most na grains.
Okay.
So maize, rice, soya beans, all those ones. But the one wey dey give problem no be crop like that. na things wey dey happen, and the things wey dey happen na flood. Na flood dey cause problem pass for insurance. Because rain fit just fall, wash. We know as wetin happen last year for Maiduguri, happen for Yobe, for the northeast. You know, rain just fall and people open dam, just wash plenty people, farm, animal, wash them comot. You know, even wash people join self, wash house join. So those kind one na dey give problem pass. Then sometimes some pests for maize. Maize we dey get something wey they call fall armyworm. That one sef dey cause wahala for, but insurance. But dey cause wahala for farmers. Not be say insurance like that, but anything wey cause wahala for farmers,
don't affect
cause wahala
for insurance people. Okay, another thing where I want, if loss don't happen, how Rex Insurance take dey settle the claims sharp?
We know dey pay. E no hard. Once loss don't happen, just notify us immediately within 24 to 48 hours of the loss. Gather plenty evidence.
You say gather plenty evidence.
Reason be say Agric dey na funny thing. Person fit go kill him cow chop, talk say something do am. So if you no gather evidence, you no get as we take evaluate your claim. So if you gather evidence, you first tell us quick. Once you inform us sharply, then you gather enough evidence. So you snap picture, you give us all of the details. Then immediately we say we no go waste time. We'll come check everything. If na big animal, sometimes we'll do autopsy.
Hey, they do autopsy for animal.
They do autopsy.
So
sometimes if na crops, once you don't tell us na so it be fire happen, we go come, we go see, we go measure their area where it affect. Then claims and settlement. But sometimes claim no, and if you make mistake too, we go tell you, and we go know as we go take resolve everything. No be big deal.
Rex Insurance, you are not alone. Even though if you dey into farming, there are people dey inside studio this morning and they don dey explain Agric Insurance as they say they arrange the paro for Rex Insurance, and they don talk many things wey make sense. Okay, now another question wey I wan ask you. Know say now for this Nigeria, everybody just dey shout price of food have go up. Na because many people fear no dey even let them to go farm again. Esme will now go to their farm and go and kill them. Na so they go. My auntie farm in the village, they kill her inside the farm. What did she do to them? Hello, good morning. I don't know wetin they do the phone line this morning. Okay, so for as I take dey talk, herdsmen no fear of herdsmen no let most people sef dey go farm to go do their normal agric paro wey dem dey do. But the area wey I wan as for situation like that, wey maybe farmer e do agric insurance, herdsmen go there go kill am, insurance, e get insurance cover for that type of situation? Make I ask.
That one a very strong thing wey you ask.
Okay.
So for all these herdsmen, this kind thing, normally insurance no go cover am because na exclusion.
Okay.
We dey call some things exclusion because this one pass power of insurance. This one don dey enter wetin concern government, concern plenty things. But in some cases, when you don work with farmer plenty times, you don insure them, you know their history, you know wetin dem dey do, you know say dem no fit lie, see all those kind things, then you fit grant some exceptions. But e dey no be na normally herdsmen invasion na exclusion. But you know mean say you and the farmer no fit talk. Person wan insure, we go talk, then we understand the risk wey dey that area. If na area wey be say dey prone to this kind thing, then we go fit sit down and arrange on how we go take fit manage that risk, discuss on security arrangement, different things. So don't me say because you feel say your area be like area where all these bandits dey, make you come run. If you approach us, we go talk.
Okay. All right. The person wey dey ask question online, Oga Samuel, he say he get 2 goats. Whether if he insure am, if he insure only 2 goats wey he get, is dey possible?
It's possible and it's also not possible. If na free range goats, wey dey waka up and down without
they go shop people food
without limit and boundary, e go dey hard.
Okay.
Because of tracking.
Okay.
But if na semi-intensive or intensive, wey be say the goat are within a particular confinement or their waka dey limited, you understand? So that one is possible.
Okay. So but e be like the emphasis na the number for Agric insurance, if person dey into livestock, the number dey important. Let's say he say they do 2 goats, na my own chicken sef be like dem be 10. So it depend until wey person wetin the question wey I wan bring, and until wey person get plenty animal e fit do insurance. Hello, good morning. Okay, wetin be your question?
How about all these planning wey dey keep farmers? How the person go show himself?
Go tell insurance.
All this insurance, when they keep the farmer now, how are they going to pay? That's the problem. But payment now be the cocoa. I don't know if you're talking with that is the problem. That the payment, when you reach payment now, they didn't say that now you go to insure, go find and expense. No.
Okay, just Oga Abdul-Azeez don be answer before, but he go still try chook mouth for wetin dey. You hear wetin dey talk now? Say na the koko be that. No be say if dem don kill the farmer na insurance go come say na the farmer go find herdsman trouble.
Like I talked before, herdsmen invasion na exclusion. We know they cover herdsmen wey invade. And then if they come kill farmer, another talk entirely be that. If they mix, the man carry plenty talk adjoin. Herdsmen invasion na another thing. Person die on top farm, whether person kill am, whether na herdsman or no be herdsman. Na the farm we dey insure, not be the farmer life. Shey you understand? Na different class of insurance, na different talk be all of those things. But as far as say we dey insure the farm, and then not anything wey happen to the farm wey we cover, we go pay claims, whether the farmer dey or the farmer no dey. So far person dey wey dey help the farmer handle the farm, whether in family or farm manager, anybody report say farmer die o, but pest attack your farm, e no affect claims. All of it we solve.
Alright, so before we begin say I love you, you love me, when we come up from inside the studio, another question wey I wan ask be say, e get farm or poultry wey insurance company fit refuse to give Agric insurance cover, say this business umbanu, we don't want to do it.
E hard, but where we dey refuse business and when wetin you dey talk, you know, like a doctor first talk, we go ask you information about your farm, then we go use that one take give you knack you quote. Once you pay, we'll come visit your farm. You know, sometimes wetin people report go different from wetin we go see for farm. We get one farm where we go together. The poultry, they talk am like say na inside hotel the bed the chicken dey live. When we reach there, e be like say na inside gutter na im dey live. The sheets they no pack, even the cover they no cover. So bed, and the place na inside bush. So bed from all the area they can't chop the chicken feed. So if you want to do Father Christmas for all the bed with the area, no problem. But the issue be say these birds they carry different diseases. Come where the bed no get protection again. So they fit can't kill those birds. You see all those kind of things. When we come, we see say wetin you report. It dey totally different from wetin we dey see on ground. We go reject. We know they do. That their money we return them back to them. We no want. Then sometimes a person wey it be like person where they drink. Now drunk, they drink every time. No get time when I declare. Make the person come they drive. It just an accident will go definitely happen. So some cases like that, when the risk is clear, or person where they farm for river where we know say
go
every
overflow.
year must overflow. Get some kind of thing when we come, we go assess, then we go tell them and say no vex.
Those of us who try to call, we no fit get through. I don't know wetin do the phone lines. Abeg no vex. Alright, so Oga Abdul-Azeez, you throw away plenty salute say you show inside studio. But one last question wey I wan ask you: person fit buy this Agric insurance directly, abi must use insurance broker to take arrange am?
And we know they reject anybody money. We bring am to us to collect.
As this your cap dey na you like money. Agric
If you carry say, if you insist say na broker, no problem. We use. If sometimes broker they approach us, sometimes bank they approach us. Okay. So we dey do direct business and we dey also collect through intermediary, be like broker.
Alright, now then we go back break on top the program this morning. We throw away Salo say una show inside the studio. Rex Insurance Limited, may we quickly give una their information and contacts. They get office for Victoria Island, will be their headquarters. They dey for Jibowu bus stop, Ibadan, Benin, Enugu, Aba, Asaba, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Kano, and Kaduna. Their social media na Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn na at Rex Insure. WhatsApp na 0911-240-4040. You fit still call them for their direct line wey be 0201460669029. Then you fit still call them for 07080606100. Their email na general@rexinsure.com and support@rexinsure.com. Their website dey active. That one mean say you fit buy insurance policy directly from their website. The website na www.rexinsure.com. Now then we go back break on top the program this morning. Dr. Me, thank you say you show inside studio.
Thank you, man.
Aspiring Alhaji Abdul-Azeez, we throw away salute say you show inside studio come touch like this Agric insurance.
Thank you very much, Madam Insurance.
Alright, so by the special grace of God, next week we go show inside studio again, come touch light another topic. Until then, my people, make una get better day. Una bye.
When you think of Rex Insurance, think of the excellence of cleaning the house to the satisfaction of a typical Nigerian mom.
Okay, you've washed the plate twice. Have you washed the sponge with soap?
Yes, mommy.
Think of the teamwork in managing your mom and mother-in-law for Omugo.
Honey, Mama and your mommy have gone to the market together. How did you do it?
At Rex Insurance, our values of resilience, efficiency, excellence, integrity, and teamwork have remained unwavering since 1918. No matter your business, agriculture, aviation, engineering, general accident, energy, motor or marine, our values and prompt claims payment are your assurance of our commitment to you. Rex Insurance, you are not alone.